with her biocouture project. And as soon as I saw that and engaged with it, you know, the concept of being able to produce our clothing in a completely different manner, you know, almost to the point of something that felt sort of quite science fiction, that we might be growing our clothes in the future into preformed pattern pieces, or, you know, even kind of preformed garments. And then it was the fact that I started to understand that, you know, not only the potential in terms of designing and making in different ways was really exciting, but that also it could potentially, you know, reduce a lot of the environmental impacts that the fashion industry is having at the moment. So by condensing the production process, by changing the raw materials that we work with, by changing the feedstocks that we're utilising, you know, even growing and dyeing and maybe even embellishing a garment all in one step, as well as you know, reducing water use, land use, environmental impacts with transporting clothing, transporting cloth to then be made into clothing, to then transport again, to then be sold somewhere else. So it just kind of stopped me in my tracks, really, the possibilities of what sort of quite a dynamic shift could do.
Yeah, and so that's